Hey everyone, it is day 3 of the 12 days of stickers, so we only have 3 left, and today's kit is the brunch ready kit. So here's what this one looks like. It is a brunch pastel kit, but yeah, this is the full boxes here for the brunch ready kit. The icon sheet, the checklist boxes, and then all of the functional boxes here. Now let me show you guys what the foiled version of the mini kit looks like. I have the deluxe versions going up on Instagram if you want to see those, but I kind of want to show you guys like a different variety of the kits through like all the videos, but also in a way the foiled versions so you can have an idea of what they look like. But this is the mini kit, so here is the other page of the mini kit here. And then here are the boxes with the gold foil. So this one does come with gold foil. Here's a closer look at that sheet here. Again, this is the mini kit. It is 2 pages, and all of these are also available without the foil if you don't want the foil. That is what the brunch ready kit is for day 3. Stay tuned for day 2 and 1 because we are almost done with this. And look down in the description for the 12 days of deals for the deal of the day, which ends at noon tomorrow Pacific time. So that is it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye everyone.